Twain drive installation started. Double-click the installation package. Select the language and click OK. Click Next. Click I agree. After selecting the installation path, click Next. Click Install to start the installation. Click Finish and wait for a while. Click Cancel. Twain drive installation completed. Double-click the WIM Dental icon to open the WIM Dental software. After entering the account and password, click Enter to log into the software. When using Twain Drive for the first time, you need to add Twain Drive settings. After entering the main interface of the software, click Configure Ecos in the menu bar to enter the Configure Ecos window. Select Twain from Gerald Mono de Acceso ao Sensor. Select the corresponding Twain Drive in font de dados Twain. Click on Salvar. Click Novo Exame in the main interface, and create or select a patient in the Selection Paciente window. After selecting a template, click Insure. Click Capture in the menu bar to start Twain Drive. When using the sensor for the first time, if the sensor is not calibrated, it needs to be calibrated first. Click the icon to enter the manual calibration window. Click Exposure, the software will display ready, and the X-ray machine will expose towards the sensor with aluminum plate. After the image appears, continue the next exposure until all 8 images are collected. After 8 images appear, click Calibrate to complete the calibration. After manual correction, software matching setting is required. Click the icon to enter the setting window. Select WIM Dental and click Edit. Select Enable and click Save to close the setting window. Back to the main interface, click the blue icon after confirming the shooting object. After the software appears ready, the X-ray machine starts to expose. After acquisition, the software will automatically upload the image to WIM Dental. Operation completed.